Sit with legs straight in front, back tall like a ruler, toes up to the sky, hands beside your hips. Breathe in and sit super still. Sit with legs straight out. Reach your hands forward to your toes. Bend gently like a sleepy caterpillar. Let your head relax down. Breathe in and stretch. Come on to your hands and knees. Walk your hands forward like a little puppy. Melt your chest down to the mat. Tail up high, ears relaxed. Breathe in and stretch. Bring right knee forward closer to the right hand and stretch the other leg back. Sit tall like a proud pigeon. Gently fold forward and relax. Keep breathing slowly and feel the stretch. Continue the same pose on the other side and stay there for a while. Sit tall with legs stretched out. Bend right knee and cross it over. Twist your body and look behind. Keep your spine long. Breathe in and twist gently. Continue the same pose on the other side and stay there for a while. Sit with left leg straight and right foot bent in. Reach your hands towards your toes. Bend forward like a sleepy snail. Let your head rest down. Breathe in and stretch. Continue the same pose on the other side and stay there for a while. Step one foot forward and one foot back. Slide your legs gently apart. Keep your hands on the floor for balance. Breathe in. Stay calm. Feel the stretch. Smile and slowly come out. Step your feet wide like a star. Breathe in. Arms out. Breathe out. Bend forward. Hands to the floor. Relax your head, stretch your legs, breathe in and slowly come up. Squat down low like a tiny crow. Place your hands on the mat. Lift your hips, bend your elbows, lean forward. Balance on your hands, feet lift up, stay steady and gently come down. Lie on your tummy like a quiet bow. Bend your knees and hold your ankles. Breathe in. Lift your chest and legs up. Stretch like a bow, ready to shoot. Smile, hold, and gently relax down. Lie on your back. Knees bent, feet on the mat. Arms by your side. Breathe in. Lift your hips up high like a bridge. Keep your feet strong, hold, smile, and slowly come down. Lie on your back and hug your knees tight. Wrap your arms around your legs. Breathe in, squeeze gently. Feel your back relax, hold, and slowly release your legs down. Lie down comfortably on your back. Let your legs fall open and your arms rest by your sides. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in and a soft breath out. Feel your head, shoulders, tummy, and legs relax. Stay very still. Enjoy the quietness. Breathe in peace. Breathe out all the tiredness.
Give yourself a big hug because you did amazing yoga today. Clap softly for your friends and say, "Thank you, yoga."